So I just waxed and greased, removed everything. Now I will paint the floors. Let's go. So the battery died on me yesterday while I was painting. So here you can see how it became. So here you can see the result. It is looking pretty nice actually, and you can see I didn't paint here, so I still can cut this out, I think, and also this. But otherwise it is dry. It wasn't dry in the morning, but now it's dry. Now I only, what's this? Oh, just dust, I think. So the next thing is to paint it with the normal color, and I think I can find somewhere between white and the beige or wimble, something white. So that's the next thing, and I will also paint the thing here in the middle. So I will go to a place and buy some spray cans so I can spray it all. I found some cream white, something that will match this color, so I hope it will match. But it's actually doesn't matter because there will be a carpet. So let's go to the store and find something. So guys, I just bought 6 cans. It's like 400 milliliters, so there's 2 liters of paint. I think that will be enough. Ladies and gents, this is how it looks. It's all prepared, and I also sanded it just a little bit to get it smooth. And you can see, I think I used like 3 hours for this, but so now it's painting time. So this is how it looks after the first layer. And that's pretty nice to buy a standard color that matches the car. Damn, boy. So tomorrow I will give it the second layer. So see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So this is the very next day, and let me show you. I already painted it twice today. And this is how it looks. It looks pretty damn fine. And the color, you can see it's almost matching, but it doesn't matter because there will be a carpet. But anyways, this is how it looks. It is turning up pretty nice. There is some small dust somewhere, but yeah, it's still outside, so that's probably why. But it's looking nice. So I have used 3 spray cans now. I think I will use 1 more, but I'm not sure yet, but I think it's fine. But we will see later today. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to take all this plastic away so we can start to drive it again. So that's today's work. Dang, it's looking good. So this is the finished result. As you can see, it is looking clean, and we still have to weld this. So I will take this out and you will see how it looks here. Damn, this is satisfying. Holy crap. Maybe I should keep it like this, right? Damn, boy. Wow. Holy crap. I will take this out in a second, and also this. So yeah, I have to take all this out now. So that's today's work, and I will probably put the bench in so I can drive it to my friend's place where we can make this tomorrow. Here it is, guys. This is how it looks. This is the finished product. I still have to clean this. It's just some dirt that I have to clean. But this is how it looks overall. You can see the color from the Wimbledon white to this cream white thingy I found. It is close, I think. Here it isn't, but this isn't like 100% Wimbledon, I think, because it's, yeah. But it's pretty close. But this is how it looks. The one plate we have to replace. But overall, it's looking good. I'm still quite happy for that, actually.